Let's meet Bharat. He is experiencing difficulty. It isn't because his boss is a jerk or because he is broke. Bharat has been bald for a long time. He's tried everything from medications to hair growth tonics to other treatments. But nothing has worked. Bharat eventually decided on a hair transplant, but he's even more perplexed by the lofty claims and varying prices, all of which have yielded no significant results. Luckily, Bharat found Clion Care. All of the concerns were satisfactorily addressed by their experienced counselors, and then he underwent their hair transplant procedure. Over 2,000 grafts, counting, were given to him by Clion Care's world-renowned doctors, with over 4,000 follicles. And, in comparison to other clinics, very few of his grafts were wasted. Bharat was overjoyed because he had already saved more than 25% on his hair transplant surgery and had received excellent care. So, if you're looking for a high-quality baldness treatment that works, look no further and visit Clion Care. Clion Care.